Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the next installment of the mini RipSaw build. So ideally we want to start with a stock engine with the stock exhaust, the stock intake, stock muffler, because we know nobody's monkeyed with it and it usually works pretty good. When choosing what to mount first when it comes to the engine, the CVT, and the rear end, mounting the rear end first because that has to be in a fixed central position here. And then that dictates where the CVT is mounted, and then the CVT dictates where the engine's mounted in kind of in a circular pattern around the CVT, so you can mount it to the right or left slightly. Next, the exhaust is the next thing I'm going to mount because you can't really change the exhaust, the expansion chamber, and so that'll be the next thing, and everything else can be modified slightly. I would like to make this amphibious for us. There could be twin jet drives off a jet ski or a small stand-up jet ski that would go on either side here. The output nozzles and the intakes. There's room for intakes on both sides. We've got the front skid plate on here. I like to build the front skid plate or bumper on anything I build as a crumple zone. Just in theory, when this is plated with sheet metal too, this will all just be a crumple zone and smash back. You want to use thinner wall tubing on the crumple zone than the main frame, so it crumples back and then absorbs some of the energy. Decided to mount the stock airbox on the carburetors. It's going to keep the vehicle the quietest, and it's going to keep snow from going in the carburetors. I have to section this piece out to fit this airbox in here. These braces for longitudinal support for front impacts or rear impacts, and then there'll be a bar going across this hoop for lateral support, for a rollover support, side impact. In the next episode, we'll be building the brake pedal assembly and putting on, I have most of the parts built for this other side track, the passenger side track. Put it on the ground and start it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the next installment of the mini RipSaw build.